white paste is called sakekasu. Actually, even here in Japan, not many people use it because most people don't know how to incorporate it into cooking. So I think it's one of the most underrated superfood in Japan because it's good for your gut and skin and overall health. So today I'm going to show you what it is and how powerful and how you can incorporate it into your cooking. So are you ready? Let's get started!
Sakekasu is a leftover from making sake. You usually see more of it in winter since most sake breweries produce sake during that time. That's why I keep some of my favorite sakekasu in the fridge or freezer. If you freeze it, you can enjoy it all year round. Today, I'm using one of my secret sakekasu to make a tasty drink that's great for your gut. Wondering about the smell? Well, it really depends on the type, but the one I picked today still has a nice sake aroma and a rich, fragrant flavor. Not good with alcohol? No worries. By heating it, the alcohol kicks off and it actually brings out a deeper, sweeter taste. Now, let me explain about health benefits of sakekasu. Support gut health. It's rich in prebiotics that help feed you good bacteria and contains amino acids that support digestion and recovery. Plant-based protein. 100 grams of sakekasu contains about the same amount of protein as 80 grams of beef, but it's completely plant-based. Improve skin and metabolism. Thanks to fermented nutrient B vitamins and resistant protein, which functions almost like fiber, sakekasu may support clear skin, better energy, and improved metabolism. Now let's make a butterfly pea and sakekasu fusion drink. It's the perfect fusion, so refreshing, with a mellow flavor from the sakekasu. Sakekasu may look plain, but like many forgotten things, it carries a quiet strength. If you've never tried it before, I hope this gives you a reason to start. Let's bring this humble superfood back into the spotlight and back into our life.